Hey guys, this is Kayla with RV Skirting Pros, and I just wanted to show you what we did today. We just got done doing a toy hauler fifth wheel. We got the track right here. We went ahead and put 3 snaps. We do have to put snaps on the slide outs because the track is too thick. It would destroy your seals as you were to put your slides in. And then this is one long 8-foot rail right here. And I mean, it's as easy as sliding in your panels once you get the track put up. And then we got another track that started here. Same thing over here. 3 snaps, track, and then we went ahead and just cut a little square in both of the panels so it went around the plug. And then we went ahead and had to lower the track down here because the ladder is in the way. And then with this fifth wheel, he wanted to be able to still put this down with his skirting on. So we went ahead and dropped the track down here. All he has to do is pull that off, and he can still lower his this turns into a porch as well, so he can still lower that with the skirting on. Like I said, the track's down here. We did have to cut this into 2 sections because of this little light right here. We cut around the light as well. So it's 1 sheet of the panel, but the track is in 2 separate. Same thing on this side. Put a button, wrapped it around. With this one, we dropped it below as well because we needed to get below the door. The door was kind of tricky because it's not centered for one, but what we went ahead and did was we cut down around the frame, and then we put 3 snaps right here. And then you've got track. Right here we raised up to meet the level of the slide outs. And there's your 3. And again, got 1 solid piece right here. And then we went ahead, they are not going to use the steps. So we dropped it down, and it's just 1 solid piece all the way across there.
If it's meant to be, it's going to happen.
And then the front was a little tricky because of there's no room to put the track. So what we did was we went ahead and did 2 snaps there with the overlap. So you can see the 2 snaps and it still overlaps. And then track here, and we went ahead and wrapped it around 12 inches on that side and 12 inches on that side with the track. And we just butted up the track, 2 tracks right next to each other. So that's it. This is our track system for our RV Skirting Pros. You can check us out on Facebook, and we also have our website, which is where you actually order our product as well. But give us a call if you have any questions, rvskirtingpros.com.